Hey fashionistas, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark we are making an out-of-this-world necklace using huge wooden beads and faceted glass beads from Bead, my favorite bead company. And to add a little extra pizzazz, we are going to marble these big wooden beads with MARABU Easy Marble. This is a great way to make a piece to match an outfit or jazz up some boring wood beads that you might have in your stash. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. And you know how much I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make an out-of-this-world necklace. Marbling became a popular handicraft in the 19th century after the English maker Charles Woolnough published The Art of Marbling in 1853. While beads have been present in one form or another throughout history, glass and crystal beads did not become manufacturable until the 1200s, when glass factories started producing household items along with a small number of beads. Whether we choose to admit it or not, it is part of our instinct as human beings to want to stand out from the crowd, and jewelry makes that possible. I'm going to leave a link to Bead and MARABU in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Bling, and I will see you next week. Bye!